We're ready to start. In our video I will show you how to replace a rear door panel in a Ford Fusion. Let's get it. First we need to remove this one, this small thing here. We need to remove this one, and there's two boards under it, so let's do it. Let's get it. .5 millimeter. .7 millimeter. .10 millimeter. Pull this one out. Disconnect everything from the back. So we disconnect this one, all right, and disconnect this one. So this is the most important thing to do. To disconnect this one, you're going to have to pull this one like that and open this thing. All right, let's get it. That's it. Easy. Put all these screws together. One screw here, second screw here, and then connect this one back. Put it like this. That's it. Put all this screw back. All this have to go. This go under here. Go under here. One go under here. That's it. Thank you for watching.